Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this SinkShroom, the Chrome Edition. And so I do want to thank SinkShroom for actually gifting this to me. And so this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to catch strands of hair, any objects that might accidentally fall into your drain, and basically prevent your sink from actually getting clogged. And so with it, we do have the Chrome Edition here. And how this works is that it fits basically 1 to 1.25 diameter inch sinks. And this portion here is going to be the portion that's able to catch and trap hair. So in a very simple step process, you basically remove the current drain that's within your sink, place this one inside of it, and then once it catches all the hair, you pull it out, and then you just simply remove the hair and wipe it off. And it's very effortless to actually go ahead and clean this off. With it though, you'd never have to deal with the clogged drain. You also will prevent anything from accidentally falling into the sink, such as jewelry. It's very easy and clean to maintain. This is what it looks like. And also works great with both human and animal hair. So if you do use your sinks to watch your dogs or pets, this is going to be great to actually go ahead and catch that hair instead of it getting all clogged up in your pipes. But overall, very pleased with it.